Raffy Drawings, draw with me. He is Jack Skellington. Ready, start. Fun fact: Jack Skellington is known as the Pumpkin King in Halloween Town. He is famous for his ability to grow the scariest pumpkins for Halloween night. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Raffy Drawings needs you. Fun fact: in the film, Jack discovers Christmas Town through magical doors hidden in a forest. These doors take him to different holidays, including Christmas, creating fun and surprising situations. Fact: despite his frightening appearance, Jack is a character with a heart of gold. Throughout the film, he tries to do good and make children happy in his own special way. Fun fact: Jack is a master of the art of disguise. In the film, he dresses up as Santa Claus to bring Christmas to Halloween Town, but his unique style adds a unique touch to the event. Are you a good kid? Then help Raffy the dinosaur. Raffy the dinosaur needs you. To make him happy, give the video a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.